Hi, I'm John DeVore. Welcome to the channel. I ended up catching a pretty typical post hi-fi show cold. You can probably still hear it in my throat, in my nose, in my head. It wasn't a bad one, really, especially considering how much I have been traveling. I'm definitely taking a break. I am going to take it easy on the traveling for the next few months. I'm probably not going to go to the Vienna Hi-Fi show, which is the new Munich. Vienna is the new Munich. But this video is going to be just a little short, sweet record review. This is a record from 2017. I got it when, the band is This Is the Kit. It is basically the project of Kate Stables. It's her band. It is a band, but it's her baby. She's the songwriter, lead singer. It's good songwriting. She always manages to be just a little bit unexpected, yet they all have a very catchy listenability. It's really good stuff. I like all of her records are great. I was reminded of her because I actually brought her more recent record to Expona and played it a few times as a demo record. It's all good. The recordings sound good. They tend to have a lot of acoustic instruments, plus some electric guitar, etc. Nice rhythms, catchy, very, very listenable, but yet different enough and sort of alt enough, quirky enough to, at least for me, to be very engaging. Very, she holds my attention. There's a charm to the music. Anyway, I've been listening to it a lot since I got back from Chicago, from Schaumburg, from Expona. Listening to it a lot as I hang out with my two boys who I missed. I miss every time I go away. Oh, also, so the channel finally reached 20,000 subscribers. Thank you, all 20,000 of you out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's another one. 10, 11. We were stuck at 19,000 for a long time, for over a year. It was weird. You know, the channel built pretty steadily, sort of peaks and stuff like that, and then it basically hit a ceiling at 20,000. And I'm sure it has to do with the algorithms from the mighty Google overlords. I have no idea how it affected me or why it affected me, but we have hit 20,000. So thank you, everyone. I wish we could celebrate in some way. I used to do giveaways and things like that, but after like 5 or 6 record giveaways, all of the sudden the scammers found us and started scamming us, putting misleading comments and basically taking innocent people's money, and so we don't want that. So if any of you can think of a way that we can safely celebrate, I can give away some T-shirts, drawings. What I used to do is I would go through and find duplicates of records that I have and do those as giveaways. But I don't want to invite the scammers, the con artists. We've got enough of those around. So anyway, thank you very much for subscribing. If you don't subscribe, you can subscribe. Doesn't hurt anyone. It helps sort of spread the word. Helps spread the word for cool music. Getting cool music that you may or may not have heard of before. And so that's it. I'm going to sign off before I have a coughing fit. Thank you very much. I'll see you at the next video. Bye.
the tide is coming in. We spent too long watching. Bullet holes are rushing in. No use bailing. Bulletproof